现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Conversational Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you a phrase that we're going to use, I'm sure, on a daily basis because you like to do this, you like to do that, or you like someone. 喜欢是这个月的这个主题句啊，怎么说喜欢呢？ How 好简单哦 How that's to like something, okay, or someone. 那今天呢，我们这个对话呢，应该是来问大家，你喜欢，比如在周末的时候做什么事情，像爬山啦，还是喜欢游泳啊，还是
看电影？
看电影也不错。我喜欢打网球，虽然看不出来，
没有认真运动。
哎呀，但还是偶尔会打了哦。那爬山其实是一个不错的一个活动哦。我们就来教这样的一个对话好了。
OK。
好去散步。
好啊，愛同愛睇刺眼。
呀，昨禮拜六，鄉下來去散好嘞。
Okay, so this conversation is about asking someone if they like hiking. 这里面一定有提到爬山，我在想跟什么山有关系嘛，对不对？
鐵山
That's right. 这就是爬山。
因为很難爬，所以要鐵。
第一句话，你喜欢爬山吗？
好鐵山麼？
好鐵山麼 That means do you like to hike? And the answer is yes, because 他好像还很喜欢大自然，对不对？Because I love the nature.
好啊，愛同愛睇刺眼。
好啊，愛同愛睇刺眼。他好像加了他喜歡什麼東西？
大自然，睇刺眼。
Okay, that is the big nature. Actually, is what it means. 然後後來就約禮拜六要一起去爬山。
呀，在禮拜六，鄉下來去鐵山好嘞。
呀，在禮拜六 that's Saturday, of course. 然後鄉下來去
就一起來去吧。
Let's all together go.鐵山 to hike. All right.
記得哦。
Cool. Let's do that. 好啊，我最近越來越喜歡爬山了。
OK。
好，那我們就來 review 幾個單字嘍，包括這個爬山、
鐵山
and then the nature 大自然。
睇刺眼
And of course, you can hike alone if you want, but if you want to get people to go together with you, maybe together 要一起怎麼說呢？
鄉下
All right, and of course, this whole month we're teaching you the phrase like something or like 喜歡 how, and let's listen to the conversation one more time.
好去散步。
好啊，愛同愛睇刺眼。
呀，昨禮拜六，鄉下來去散好嘞。
And that does it for today's Conversational Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.